What's up, you guys? I know there's always like stuff in my room. Like I don't know like where it comes from. It's been a bit. Where do I start? I started school on the 5th, and 8th grade, it's a lot harder than I thought it would be. I started dance again on the 10th. I started dance on the 10th. And I started Nutcracker. I have 3 parts this year, which is a little scary because I've never had 3 parts before. I've only ever had like 2 parts. I'm Snow, I'm Flowers, and I'm Spanish this year, which I don't know how I got into Snow and Flowers because I'm literally like so short. Oh, this is bothering me. I'm sorry, my curtain was just being weird. They just messed up my hair. And I had to do an audition video, which I can't really talk about. It's been like a crazy couple of weeks. That's basically all that's really happened. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but like when you like say it all, it is a lot. Yeah, but that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which is gonna be soon. Bye. Oh, that is not cute.